Now with an analog Barbados dollars chorus and spring reverb, the EF-X3 and rack mount EF-X3R boast a 100% analog signal path. Information from EF-X after the successful release of the EF-X2, this and the rack mount EF-X3R are the latest offering in EF-X's line of tape delays. Built by the same team to the highest quality, this new machine includes many of our most requested features and builds on the momentum and trust gained after 3 years of making the EF-X2. Stereo output via direct head outputs. Individual outputs for each head offer flexibility never before seen in a tape echo, with the ability to achieve a classic stereo ping-pong delay effect by panning each head externally. Unmatched reliability. On top of this, we've implemented a new auto tape stop circuit to extend tape life. Unmatched reliability. On top of this, we've implemented a new auto tape stop circuit to extend tape life. Same team, same peace of mind. For nearly 15 years, we've been keeping tape echoes alive. Now that we make our own, our standards are higher than ever. Rest assured that your machine will be the most capable, reliable tape echo on the market, supported by a team with some of the best customer service in the industry. It's alive. If you've been in a room with one of our units, you know what we mean by this. Used as an effect, they simply make everything sound better. But turn up the echo volume, dial in some feedback and watch as our unit self-oscillates into life and becomes an instrument more than an effect. The EF-X3 will change the way you make music. Analog Barbados dollars chorus, analog spring reverb, stereo ping-pong delay capability, independent SOs for longer delay time, auto tape stop to extend tape and motor life. Product features 2 front panel color options, silver or black, direct playback head outputs, allowing for external panning for stereo ping-pong delays from a mono source. Analog Barbados dollars chorus with rate and depth controls, analog spring reverb, independent SOs, switching for longer delay time, direct wet output at rear for reverb chorus, balanced input and output at rear, auto tape stop when no audio signal present to extend tape and motor life. There is a switch at the rear to disable this feature. CV control for motor speed and feedback level, 0 to 5V bass and treble controls, echo signal, vintage guitar line, FET preamp, front panel high-low output level switch, front panel output 4 echo playback heads, including SOS head. Adjust the echo's time and feedback with control voltages, CV 0 to 5 volts, and compatible expression pedals. Motor on switch for tape slowdown effect. Mute the reverb, echo and chorus signal via remote foot switches. Comes with a worldwide compatible 100-240V power supply. No step down or other transformers. Required 0.2 years warranty for all pre-sale purchases, with peace of mind that this is made by a company that has been operating for over 10 years, specializing in tape echo repair and spare parts. High quality scratch resistant front panel 0.2 tape loops supplied with each unit. The EF-X3 Tabletop Chorus Echo is the latest offering in EF-X's line of tape delays. Built in Australia to the highest quality, the EF-X3 includes many of our most requested features and builds on the momentum and trust gained after 3 years of making the EF-X2. 100% analog now with an analog Barbados dollars chorus and analog spring reverb. The EF-X3 boasts a 100% analog signal path. Individual playback head outputs for stereo effect from mono source. Individual outputs for each playback head offer flexibility never seen before in a tape echo, with the ability to achieve a classic stereo ping-pong delay effect from a mono source by panning each playback head externally via a mixer or DAW.